Welcome to Aabacada.
Hello and thank you for watching this video. My name is Fazan and I am an educationist. In this video, we will show you some great brain development activities for your toddler. We welcome you if you are new to our channel. We post child development activities and parenting topics every week. Please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss the updates. Thank you and keep on watching. Hello, today we will be playing memory game. Shazin, are you ready? Can you open the box for me please? And put it over here. Wonderful. Okay, I'm going to show you a card. Dog. Mickey Mouse. A ghost. Duck. Right. Tell us, what did you see in the cards? Tell me the names.
Duck.
Very good. Very nice. Donald Duck, very good. One more. Very nice, good, wonderful. Alright, Shazin, I'm going to show you 3 pictures. Okay, this is Happy Mickey Mouse. I'm putting over here. This is a screaming Donald Duck. I'm putting it over here. And this is a dog with its puppies. I'm putting it over here. Can you pick me up a screaming Donald Duck? Show us. Very good. Can you put it back? Can you show us where is the dog with its puppies? Show us. Wonderful. And can you show us where is the Mickey Mouse? Very good. Yeah, you have done it. You like it? Do you like this activity?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, Shazin. How are you? Are you ready to play the memory game?
Yeah.
Okay, can you see a basket in front of you?
Yeah.
There are many things in the basket. Should I show you the things? Are you ready to see them? Wonderful. So, sit straight and duck, watermelon, hammer. What is this? Chips. Very good. And what is this? Ice cream. Okay, Shazin. Can you count till 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7?
8, 9, 10.
Shazin, can you tell me what did you see in the basket?
Hammer.
Very good.
Duck.
Very nice.
Or watermelon.
Very good.
Or
You cannot see. You need to, I don't know, you need to tell me. 10. We eat it. 10. 9. It's very yum. 8. 7.
Apple.
No. Oh yes! Ice cream. Wonderful. Okay, Shazin, thank you very much. You like this game?
Yeah.
And what's the name of this game? Memory game. Wow. Okay, thank you. Say bye-bye. Hello, Shazin.
Hi, Papa.
How are you?
Thank you.
Wonderful. So today we will be solving a puzzle activity. So today we will be solving our puzzle activity. Can you tell me which animal is this?
Horse.
Horse, wonderful. Now, let me break the parts and you need to put them all together. We start. Are you sure it's done?
Yeah.
Can you check it again? Is it done? No, I don't think so. It's complete. Recheck it. This part is right. Do you think this part is right? Can you flip it? Very good! You've done it! Yay! How do you find it? Do you find it easy or hard? It's hard. Now let's do more harder. We will put these two together and you need to make them again. Are you ready? Can you tell me which animal is this? Hippopotamus. Wonderful. Alright. This is very hard, Shazan. You can do it, yeah? You can try at least. 1, 2, 3, start! Okay, wonderful. Congratulations. You have done it. Bye-bye. Okay, Shazin, can you see the smileys? There are so many. You need to find the odd one. Start it. Very good. Now, you need to paste one sticker on the one. Quickly. Very good. Wonderful. Okay, now,
Okay.
I want you to stop. Okay, Shazin, now we have stars in front of you. Can you find which is the odd star? Which one? Wow, very good. Okay, can you pick up one smiley sticker and paste it on that star? Very good. Where is that star? Very nice. Okay, then next one is victory sign. And which one is the odd one? Very good. Okay, take one sticker and paste it on that. Yes. Thumb down. Yeah. That's right. Very nice. And then our last one. Okay, Shazan, this is the last one. You need to find the odd flower. Which one is the odd one? Look inside. Find it out. No, this is not the odd one. Find it out. Very good. Okay, take one sticker and paste it. One out, one out, one out. Which one is odd? Wonderful. So we have completed our 4 activities. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good.